Hello, my name's Tess Cole and I'm responsible for community learning here at Highbury College. Community learning is available for all adults aged 19 and over, and we offer a wide range of different courses that meets everybody's needs. We can help the adults who are unemployed, long-term unemployed, just recently made unemployed or recently made redundant. We can help you upskill and get back into employment. We can also help you with skills updating, hobby skills, life skills, whatever you need, we've got a course for you. There's different pathways within our community learning. We have our outreach community learning, where a group of tutors can go and deliver a whole range of courses out into the community at locations all over Portsmouth and the surrounding areas. We're currently in nearly 70 locations dotted around everywhere, for example, a sports hall, a community centre, schools. Wherever you need us, we will come to you. Don't worry if you need some IT courses, we bring our own laptops to be able to run that programme. For different community organisations, if you are interested in us coming to deliver some courses to your service users or your residents or different people who attend your location, please let us know, because we can come and talk to you and let you know the whole range of courses that we can offer you. Majority of them are free of charge. In addition to our outreach provision, we also have a flexible learning centre based in Arundel Street, right in the heart of Portsmouth. This centre is for students who want to upskill their digital skills, gain qualifications. Doesn't matter if you've never used a computer before, they're from pre-entry level right up to level 2. In addition to the digital skills qualifications that we also offer employability skills and a range of different programmes for those students looking to get back into employment. We have a vast array of VRQ qualifications at level 2, which are predominantly free of charge, ranging from equality and diversity, business admin, customer service, working with students with challenging behaviour, a whole reef of them that really help you upskill or get promoted within your current job. Whatever you need, we can deliver that for you. We really would like to welcome you to the college. If there is any other additional information you need, please do not hesitate to check on our website, and we look forward to seeing you.